Using salt water for loose teeth.
Hey there! Welcome to our video on using salt water for loose teeth. If you or someone you know has a loose tooth and you're looking for a natural remedy, salt water can be a great option. In this video, we'll walk you through the procedure for using salt water to help with loose teeth. So, let's get started.
Why use salt water for loose teeth?
Before we dive into the procedure, let's quickly discuss why salt water can be beneficial for loose teeth. Salt water has natural antiseptic properties that can help promote healing and reduce inflammation in the gums. It can also help in cleaning the area around the loose tooth, preventing infection and promoting oral hygiene.
Preparing the salt water solution.
To start, you'll need to prepare a salt water solution. It's quite simple. Here's what you'll need. 1. Salt. Use regular table salt or sea salt. Avoid using iodized salt, as it may contain additional additives that could irritate the gums. 2. Warm water. Take a glass of warm water. Make sure it's not too hot, as you don't want to burn your mouth. Now, let's mix the solution. 1. Measure. Take about half a teaspoon of salt and add it to the glass of warm water. 2. Stir. Stir the mixture until the salt is completely dissolved. This will create your salt water solution.
Rinsing with salt water.
Once you have your salt water solution ready, it's time to start rinsing. Here's what you should do. 1. Take a sip. Take a small sip of the salt water solution into your mouth. 2. Swish and gargle. Tilt your head back slightly and swish the salt water around in your mouth. Make sure to focus on the area with the loose tooth. Gargle the solution gently in your throat, but don't swallow it. 3. Spit. After swishing and gargling for about 30 seconds to a minute, spit out the salt water into the sink.
Frequency and duration.
Now that you know how to rinse with salt water, let's discuss the frequency and duration of this procedure. 1. Frequency. For best results, you can rinse with salt water 2 to 3 times a day. However, it's important to note that salt water rinses should not replace regular brushing and flossing. 2. Duration. Each rinse should last for about 30 seconds to a minute. This allows enough time for the salt water to reach the affected area and provide its benefits. And there you have it. Using salt water for loose teeth is a simple and natural way to promote healing and maintain oral hygiene. Remember to prepare the salt water solution correctly, rinse for the recommended duration, and repeat the procedure 2 to 3 times a day. However, it's always important to consult a dentist if you have persistent issues with loose teeth or any other oral health concerns. We hope you found this video helpful. Take care of your teeth, and until next time, keep smiling.